Hello friend, this is Golden Sun. Starting from this video, we'll introduce SwiftUI from the very beginning. So this is a series of SwiftUI tutorial. Okay, so this is our environment, MacBook, right? macOS Big Sur version 11.1, okay? And the Xcode I used is Xcode. Let's check its version, okay? Version 12.5. And if we check about, yeah, this is the Xcode we are using to play with SwiftUI. If you don't have that installed, right? If you don't have that, we can go to App Store and try to search Xcode like that. You'll find something like that, Xcode, and you can install that. It's free. Okay, now let's get started. We'll try a Hello World, the first app developed using SwiftUI. So we need to fire up our Xcode like that and create a new Xcode project. Okay, so we'll see this. We'll create our iOS app, so make sure this one is selected, right? This is for Mac OS, MacBook, right? Mac computer. This is for watch, TV, and multi-platform. It means the app will be used on multiple platforms, right? So let's do a simple thing here. iOS app, next. Product name, let's just use Hello World. And the theme, if you don't have, you can keep it empty like none, but in my case, since I am Golden Sun, so and my company is Gold Sun Inc. Organization identifier, you can use something like com dot your name, right? Bundle interface, okay, very important to select the SwiftUI instead of storyboard. This is the old thing, right? I have many other videos talking about, right, storyboard apps, but today we'll focus on SwiftUI. Life cycle, SwiftUI app, yes, and UI kit app, delegate. So if you select that, yeah, it will switch to the other one, but that's the old thing. And so SwiftUI is new, and life cycle, we use SwiftUI app. Language, Swift, instead of, oh, there's no other thing here. We don't need the other of that, so next. You can put it in the convenient place, right, you like. So in my case, I put it inside my home Xcode workspace, and here, yeah. Yeah, let's put it here. So Xcode workspace, you can create one, right, using the new folder if you like. Okay, create. Let's make it bigger. That's it. This is a runnable app. Oh, it's already hello world. Okay, provided by Apple. Thank you. We can select the simulator here. Let's use, I have a iPhone 12 mini, so let's just use that. And on the right in this area is a preview place. It doesn't show up, so if we click resume here, we should be able to see our preview device simulator here. Yeah, hello world here, right? So let's change the text. Okay, something like subscribe, right? It helps. Haha, thank you, friend. Okay, it helps. You see? Now we change it, right? When we modify the code on the right, the preview also changes. And the code is simple. There's only one line of code here, actually. Inside the body part, and we can run it, right, using this button. Yeah, you see, this app works, right? Subscribe, it helps. Thank you, friends. And that's the simplest app we can make, right? Without writing any line of new code. So basically we have our content view struct. We'll introduce that later, right? It adopts the view protocol, and inside that we need to provide our property body, which is a view. Okay, and inside of the view we put our UI widget text, which is a view. Okay, we create the view text by providing a string literal there, and padding is to make it look better, right? If we comment out this one, we don't see much difference, right, in this app. And if we run it again, it's almost the same here. Yeah, maybe we remove the padding around it. Okay, and put it back, run again. We don't need to run the simulator on the left very much, because most of the time we can just check, right, the preview area here. like that, to design our user interface. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.